Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch 2 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the sound volume on this watch. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons or by tapping on the screen. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. Next, scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu, find the sound option, and once you find it, tap on it. And right here, scroll down, and as you can see, we have a couple of sliders for the volume. We have the media slider, call volume, ring, and alarm. And we can adjust the volumes for each of them by tapping on the plus and minus buttons. So adjust the volumes to your liking. Now ring volume is grayed out because the silent mode is enabled. If we disable it, we can then adjust the ring volume and then the alarm volume. And of course, once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the sound volume on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.